Okay, so this is Upwork.com. This is where you want to go when it's time to build your profile. And Upwork always changes their homepage up a little bit. This is actually an image slider, so there's always different images, but just make sure you're on Upwork.com. And to sign up, it's very simple. All you have to do is click the green sign up button. And from there, it's going to prompt you to either log in with your Google account, or you can create a work email address and enter it in here. I suggest doing that because when you have a separate email address just for Upwork, that helps you keep your circle of focus even tighter, because then you know you're only going to use that email address with Upwork. So every single notification is important. Once you do that, it's going to walk you through a verification process. So since I already have an account, I can't show you this, but it's very self-explanatory. It will walk you through uploading your ID, making sure you can prove your identity. And as you go through this, remember, it might take a little bit, but this is all for your safety, and this is all to improve the credibility of the platform. And you can look, if you wanted to get a little bit more information on Upwork, you can see that some of the biggest businesses in the world use Upwork to get freelancers hired. And there's more than 60,000 jobs posted on Upwork every single week. You can find what you need, post today, hire tomorrow, engage with confidence. So as you can see, it's very geared towards creating a place for speed, efficiency, and getting things done. So go ahead, sign up for your Upwork account, and after you sign up for your free account, you have the option to upgrade to your paid account. That's the $14.99 Freelancer Plus plan, and I highly recommend that if you're serious about freelancing because it gives you added benefits like being able to see what your competitors bid. So go ahead, create your profile, and then I'm going to show you my profile and every single piece of it so you can build the best profile possible.